Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Madan again. Today I'm going to talk about arrays in JavaScript. How can we declare an array and how to add elements into it? How can we access the elements? All these things can be discussed in detail in this video. Let me show you first how to declare an array. Let name of the array, I am declaring it as team equals to. This is how you can declare an array. I have created an array on the name of team. It's an empty array. Now I need to add elements into it. In order to add elements, you can simply start writing the data. MSD, you need to separate multiple elements using comma inside the array. I have created an empty array on the name of team and I just added elements onto it. Now after creating this array, if you want to access the elements, how can we do that? Let's test. First, let's log this array and see how the output will be. You can see the output here. I try to log complete array. This is how the output looks like. Now if I want to access a specific element, how can I do that? You can observe here in the array, an index will start with 0. That means whatever the first element that you have added, the index for the first element is 0. Start with 0, 1, 2, 3. Now by making use of the index, we are going to access elements inside the array. In order to do that, instead of console, let's say I'm using alert this time and I want to display MSD inside the alert box. How can I access the first element? As I mentioned, first element has an index value 0. Try to use it. Team square braces inside which you need to add the index value. Let's save it and check the output. Let's refresh. See this. As I have used alert box here, it has been displayed MSD. Why? Because I used index 0. Inside the first index, the element which is stored here is MSD. Let's try with the other one. I'm using 2 here. Any guess what would be the alert? Let's refresh. Okay, alright. This is how we can create an array and we can access any element inside the array. Now, what if I want to add one more element to the existing array? We have methods for that. By making use of the existing methods which are there in JavaScript, we can even add elements, we can remove the elements, all these things. Let me show you one by one. Let's say I want to add one more name to this array. Okay. Now, where do you want to add? Let's say I want to add it right next to Sachin. How can I do that? For this, we have a method called push. By making use of push method, we can actually push an element into the array. Let's see how can we do that. Team dot push. What's the element you wanna push onto it? I want to push VBS. After this, try to alert team. Viru, this is just because of the alert which is there in the second line. Just click on OK and see this. Check the output here. I just try to log the complete array and what's the last one? VBS. Why? Because I just try to add VBS using a push method in JavaScript. This is how we can add an element to the array. In case if you want to remove an element, remember if you use a push method, the element will get added at the end of the array. That's what you see here. Sachin is the last element which was there before. Now whenever I use push and try to push VBS into it, you can see VBS has got it at the end of the array. Okay, we have one more thing called pop. By making use of the pop, we can remove an element. Let's try that and see how the output looks like. Team dot pop save. After this, I want to write one more alert statement here so that you can see the difference before pop and after pop. All right. First alert, second alert, and the third one. See this. Now, by making use of the push method, we are going to add an element at the end of the array. Similar way, if you want to remove the element which is there at the end of the array, we can make use of pop. Along with these two, we'll have an option in order to play around with first element inside the array. Those are shift and unshift. Let's try and see how those two will work. Now let's comment team dot shift and check what would be the alert statement returns. Alert team. Save. Here, refresh. Check the output now. What has happened? Just because I used a method called shift, you can see the first element inside the array got removed. And technically what happens when you try to use a method called shift? First thing is it will remove the first element which is there inside the array. Once after removing this, it will try to reassign the indexes. Just because consider this at this moment in the 0th index, MSD is there and the Virat is there in the first, Viru is there in the second, Sachin is there in the third, right? Now, just because I have performed the shift method on array, MSD will get removed from the team. Now the 0th index will get assigned to Virat and Viru gonna be the first, Sachin gonna be second. These things will be performed as soon as you try to use shift method on any array. We can use unshift as well in order to add something at the front. Alright, now what if you wanna remove something which is there in between? For that we have a method called splice. Let me show you how to use splice and how can we remove the elements. Team dot splice. Inside the splice, it considers two inputs. First one would be index of the array and second one is the number, right? Which one needs to be removed? Let's say if I put 2, let's check the output. Save it. Alert. For now, let me comment all this. We have a complete array and I just performed splice on it with 0 and 2 as inputs. Let's check the output. Refresh. What has happened here? Viru, Sachin and VVS. First two elements got removed. Why? Because starting point has been given with an index number from 0. That means from beginning consider two elements. That's why first two got removed from the array and the last three got displayed. This is how we use splice. What if I mention 4 here? Refresh. Check this. This 0 indicates a starting point from where I should suppose to start. 0 indicates right from the first element, 4 elements needs to be removed. All the 4 got removed and the 5th one has been displayed here. What if I change the index? I change the index to 1. Why MSD here? Just because I started with 1, you can see right from the first element, 4 elements got removed. 1, 2, 3 and the 4th one is VVS. Only MSD got displayed. You can see it here. This is all about arrays in JavaScript.